Welcome to the 20-question general knowledge trivia quiz. You'll have 7 seconds to answer each question, and each right answer earns 1 point. Let's start. Who was the first president of United States of America? George Washington is the correct answer. Which city hosted the first modern Olympic Games in 1896? Yes, Athens is the correct answer. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Excellent. Pancreas is the correct answer. Which country invented paper? China is the correct answer. What is the capital of Canada? You are right, Ottawa is the correct answer. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? O negative is the correct answer. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Yes, Leonardo da Vinci is the correct answer. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Great, Mars is the right answer. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? Australia is the correct answer. Which is the smallest continent? Super. Australia is the correct answer. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Very easy. William Shakespeare. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury is the correct answer. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? France is the correct answer. Who invented the light bulb? Excellent. Thomas Edison is right answer. Which planet is known for its rings? Superb. Saturn is the correct answer. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Yes, carbon dioxide. Which element is represented by O on the periodic table? Very easy. Oxygen is the correct. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Nice. Neil Armstrong is correct. Which is the fastest land animal? Excellent. Cheetah is correct answer. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? Norway is the correct answer. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond is the correct answer. Who discovered gravity? Superb. Isaac Newton is the correct. Which is the largest desert in the world? Antarctic Polar Desert is correct. What is the capital of Pakistan? Yes, Islamabad is the correct answer. Which organ is affected by hepatitis? Excellent. Liver is the correct answer.